Hi, this is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this period. This is really a period where everything is clashing. So there's a clash between the old and the new. So one of the main characteristics is that it will be very chaotic at the times that come now, November, December, and it will go on for a while. But anyway, we are in that eclipse season, and eclipses are always periods that a cycle is ending. So know that something in your life is ending too. You have to figure out what is ending, and you have to figure out where are my emotions. What emotions did I carry the last few months? You have to revisit these times and revisit these emotions so that you can really honor these emotions to go on with your life. Because when we will put these emotions under the carpet, next time the period that will come will be more chaotic. So every opportunity we got now, you have to take it. And the opportunities comes from the emotions, because these we can feel in our bodies, and the more we can really let go or release with ease these emotions, the better we are for the future. You can see it like a sea. An emotional body is like an ocean, or is like a river, or whatever, how you call it. Anyway, it is not a basin with still water, because when the water is still, it smells very badly. So these emotions has to move, and see where are the ice cubes in your emotions, so that you can melt them down by being conscious. What emotions are running through your body? Because when we are always putting emotions under the carpet, we will feel a void, and then we will need other people to fill that void. It's very important that you take care of your emotions now, because when the chaos will burst out, you will be ready, you will be centered. And this is the time. We cannot lose any time anymore. We need to be centered. First of all, we stay in the heart. The heart is a good place to be in. When there is chaos and you can stay centered in the heart, it's better. Everything what moves and will come around, you can see it with compassion. And you don't have to dive into the fears. You don't have to dive into the angers and the old emotions. So remember that. It's a very good period to release with ease all the emotions that are in your emotional body. Okay, it's a very good period to do healings now, really, to release and to purify yourself, especially in the months of November and December. Everything what is cleansing, what is purifying, do it, and be ready for the chaos, so that you really are heart-centered. And the second thing is that to make your heart strong, it's good to be with people who are already living in their hearts. It's very important to be with people that do not judge, that really respect you, that honor you, and that really loves you. So this is an important thing. Find your tribe. When you are vibrating in your heart, you will find your tribe without any effort. Many people always do efforts to make connections. And many connections are the mirrors of their emotions, because they didn't work their emotions. So this is the period to work your emotions, guys, to really release with ease these old karma patterns, old belief systems, etc., etc. And just link with people that you like to make a beautiful circle that is strong. And we are circles. We have a community. It's a butterfly community, and we are strong circles. We come together at noon, and we come together at 8 p.m., where we chant the mantra. So I will give you the mantra below so you can chant this mantra with us, okay? To make our community stronger, to make our heart stronger, and the connections with all that is. So thank you for listening, and it's a really, don't forget, it's an opportunity. That's a really good period. These are really opportunities to get lighter and lighter, to really give away that heavy weight that we sometimes hold on our shoulders, you know, or in our basement and our bellies and stuff, so that we don't have any physical problems anymore. Because when we have problems, physical problems, most of it derives from emotional distortions, okay? So let this month be the month of autumn, where your old leaves may fall down with ease. So a happy day today, a happy day tomorrow, and I love you and hope to see you very soon. Oha.